Hello everyone, we have the question fair playoff that was in the first question in the educational code forces round 110, and the problem statement stated that 4 players participate in a playoff tournament and the tournament is held according to the following scheme. The first player will play with the second and the third with the fourth, when the winners of the pairs will play in the finals of the tournament. It is also known that in a match between 2 players, the one whose skill is greater will win, and the skill of the highest player is also given, and it is equal to SI. And skills by levels are pair-wise different, so no two skill levels will ever be same for any player. And the tournament is called fair if the 2 players with the greater skill meet in the finals. So we need to find out if the tournament is fair or not. So basically, for any test we have 4 inputs and we need to check if the tournament is fair with these inputs or not, with the skill set given or not. So we can see the greatest skills are 9 and 7, and after the first round we will have 7 in the finals and 9 in the finals. So our condition is true and both the strongest players are in the final. But in the second case we can see the strongest players are 6 and 9, and but only one of them, that is 9, will go to the finals, and so the condition in this case is not true, and so on. So the output will be yes no. So basically the algorithm for this is really simple. We have those 2 matches in the round 1 between A, B and C, D, and for each of these matches we will get one winner, and we need that each winner, that is E and F, should be the 2 highest values from among A, B, C, D. So basically we need the second highest value in one of these pair and the first highest value in the other pair other than which had the second highest value. So basically the pairs, so let's say A and C were the greatest values, so this will be correct and this will be a fair competition, as both the strongest player will be eventually in the finals, and similarly B and D, and similarly for AD, and similarly for BC. And but the pairs AB and CD, where A and B are both the strongest and C and D are both the strongest, will not be fair, as the one of the strongest players of the 2 strongest players will eventually not play in the final. So the code is also really simple for this, as you can see that we have the input number of cases, and then we just take the input as as an array, and then we go on to see if any of the conditions that the 2 strongest players are in different pairs in the different pairs on the first round is true, and if that is true we return yes, and if it's not true we return no. So let's see, if we run this, what do we get? So yeah, we get this, and let's say we change the value of this variable over here to 2, then we see that this must change, so this will go to no, I think. Yeah, so we have no, yes, no in this case. So let's see if our code works. So we can see the code was separate and the time was 77 milliseconds and memory was 0. Thanks.